Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is trading at a level of $2516.91. Okay, and I've already explained you that chances are high we can see a further upside movement because see this bigger pattern is forming. If you look at this particular trend, this particular pattern is forming and a further upside movement we can see. Okay, and there is a zone breakout which you have to understand that if the price started falling below a level of 2144, we will see it will move in this particular zone. Okay, there is a continuous upside, so whenever there is a range breakout happening, we have seen that it is moving out of a different zone and then a further upside movement we can see. Now if you look at this particular chart, we have seen how the price has gone up to a level of 2517 and chances can be high a further upside movement we can see. Okay, so if you look at this particular trend, there is a pattern forming which you have to understand. This U pattern is forming, and similarly after crossing this level, this similar pattern is forming here. It is on a higher side. Okay, and chances can be high it can go further upside. There is a high at a level of 2532 which is an all-time high, and a level of 2522 which is a strong resistance. So keep that in mind. If the price sustain this level, a further upside movement we can see towards. Look at the dollar index. What we have seen, dollar index now trading at a level of $101.667. Okay, and chances are high that we can see if the price keep moving below this level, a further fall we can see. And once the price started going below this particular level, chances are high it will fall below a level of 100.5, and then it can go towards a level of below a level of 100, can go towards $99.8 and then further low. Okay, but if you look at this particular trend, suppose a swing has formed and one started going above this level, see there is a clear pattern forming at this particular level, so chances are high it can cross a level of $101.9 and can go towards 2102 and then further upside. Okay, and chances of going further high we can see. Okay, because there is a continuous upside from 2 days and there is a pattern is also forming, so we can see if the dollar index started going upside, we will see the gold price will come down. Similarly, if the dollar started going down, we will see the gold price will come up. So keeping that in mind, if it started going below a level of 101, then it can touch a level of 100.5, and once started falling below this level, we can see a level of 99.8 and then further low. Okay, but if the price started going above a level of $101.9, then a further upside movement we can see, and chances are high it can go up that level. Coming back on the gold price, what we can see, looking at this particular chart, chances are high it will cross this level and it can go towards a level of $25.18, and from there a level of $25.22. Once the price moving off this level, a probability of crossing a level of around 25.29 will be that. It's 25.29 is already being tested 2 times, so chances are high it will cross that level and it will go towards $25.31. Okay, if the price moving off this level, there will be a zone breakout, so further upside we can see towards a level of 25.40 and then to a level of 25.50. You have to trail your SL by $5 or $4, so according to the volatility, so that you can capture a big movement towards an upside. Okay, if the price keep moving about 25.50, we can see you can trail by $4 or $5 so that you can capture our upside towards an upside of our 25.70. Also we can see it started going upside. Okay, but suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, market is uncertain. Always try to put your SL to save your capital. Always try to trail your SL so you have a profit. This is what you should be doing. Started forming a swing, what we can see, suppose started forming a swing, then we can see a level of 25.05 as a strong support, and once started falling below this level, chances of going below a level of 2500 we can see. Okay, suppose if the price started falling below 2500, we can see a level of $24.88, and then it will move out of this zone, so chances of touching 25.78 will be there. Again I repeat, suppose if the price started falling below this level, chances of touching 25.05 will be there, and then from there a level of around 25.03 and then to a level of 2500. Okay, as soon as the price started going below this level, chances are high it will cross a level of 24.92, and this level is already being weak, so chances of going further low we can see, and then it can go towards $24.85 and then it can go below a level of 24.76. okay, and then a further fall we can see, so there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall we can see towards a level of around 24.54 and then further look, because there will be a zone breakout, so further downfall we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe. Thank you.